Cisco Certified Network Associate. Lesson 8. This is A.M. Khan, trainer for the entire series. Welcome back everybody for our 8th day in our training series. As you already know, this is a free training on YouTube for all people who are interested to start career in networking. In our last video, we have learnt about computer common network application software. Without wasting much time, let us get straight into the video. Today we are going to learn about. So, local area network, that is LAN, and wide area network, WAN. What is the difference between LAN and WAN? Local area network is a computer network which is limited to a small office, single building, and multiple buildings inside a campus, etc. Typically, a local area network is a private network owned and maintained by a single organization. So, what is wide area network? A wide area network spans over multiple geographic locations which is composed of multiple LANs. It is nearly impossible for small to medium organizations except network service providers to pull network cables. Between the two offices in two different countries located thousands of kilometers away, network service provider, also called as ISPs, provide the connectivity solutions for wide area networks. So, if two local area networks, LANs, located at two different geographical locations connected via internet to create a wide area network, that is WAN. LAN 1 is located in Chennai, India, and LAN 2 is located in Manila, Philippines. The aerial distance between Chennai and Manila is about 4,400 kilometers. It is almost impossible for a small medium to do business to draw cables between Chennai and Manila. We normally avail the services of an internet service provider for connectivity between these two offices. So, what is the difference between LAN and WAN? A local area network, LAN, is a private computer network that connects computers in small physical areas. Example, a small office, a single building, multiple buildings inside a campus, etc. Wide area networks, WAN, is type of computer network to connect offices which are located in different geographical locations. Wide area networks, WAN, depends mainly on internet service providers, that is ISPs, for connection solutions. Local area network, LAN, has higher bandwidth rates. Current local area networks, LANs, runs at bandwidth speeds of 1000 Mbps, that is 1 Gbps or 10 gigabits per second. Wide area networks, WAN, has lower bandwidth rates compared with local area network. Current wide area networks runs on bandwidths of 20 Mbps, 50 Mbps or 100 Mbps. Local area network, LAN, bandwidth rates are almost constant. That is, LAN bandwidth rates are dependent on characteristics of the LAN technology in use. Normally, fast Ethernet or gigabit Ethernet. Since most of wide area networks, WAN connectivity solutions are dependent on internet service providers, ISPs, budget related constraints affect the quality of WAN. Most of the current local area network, LANs, use Ethernet as the LAN standard. Fast Ethernet 100 Mbps or gigabit Ethernet 1 by 10 Gbps. Normally, for WAN connectivity technologies like VPN, that is virtual private network over internet, or MPLS, that is multi-protocol label switching, are used. Since local area networks, LANs, are private networks managed by dedicated local network administrators, that is local area networks, LANs, are more reliable and secure than wide area networks, WAN. Since wide area networks, WAN, involve third-party service providers, WAN networks are less reliable and secure. So, initial setup cost for LAN, that is local area network, are low as the devices required to set up the networks are cheap. Initial setup costs for a wide area networks are very high because of the devices, routers, firewalls, etc., cables and manpower required. Local area networks LAN running costs are less. Wide area networks WAN's running costs are very high. Wide area networks WAN normally have recurring monthly cost as service provider access fees. Wide area networks WANs are more congested than local area networks.